Hello, dear students. I welcome you all in this learning dialogue of drug distribution system in hospitals. So, let's see the contents of this learning dialogue. First one is, what do you mean by drug distribution? Then give types of patients, then classify outpatients, then give outpatient services and explain location and layout of outpatient dispensary. So these are the contents of this learning dialogues. So we will start from drug distribution system in hospitals. So the drug distribution system means supply of drugs in the hospitals and other clinics for the treatment of indoor and outdoor patients by the Indian system. Okay. Distribution system is categorized into two types. First is for outpatient or ambulatory patient services and second is for inpatient services. So there are two types of patients, outpatients and inpatients. Okay. So let's see what is meant by outpatients. Outpatients means the patient which is not admitted in hospital but receiving general or specific treatment without admitting into the hospital is called as outpatients. And these outpatients are of four types: general outpatient, emergency outpatient, referred outpatient, and special outpatients. So, in the general outpatients, these outpatients come for checkup and medicines are prescribed to them. They are not receiving emergency or specific treatment. In emergency outpatient, 24-hour services are given to those patients who requires immediate care for the survival, like in the accidental cases. Next, referred outpatients. These patients are referred to the hospital for a specific purpose due to lack of facilities available with the private clinic practitioner or the patient needs extra medical care. And last one is special outpatients. After completion of general checkup, the patients are asked to go for clinical pathological examinations for accurate diagnosis. Medicines are given to him after receiving the test reports. Okay. Then the outpatient services are classified into three categories. Hmm. Outpatient services given to the outpatients are categorized into three categories: emergency care, tertiary care, which is also called as referred care, and last one is the primary care. Let's see one by one. In the emergency care, it is the care of patients suffering from serious health and accidents. Then let's see tertiary care. He is directly to outpatient department by his attending medical practitioner for specific treatment other than an emergency treatment. The care of patient beyond the primary care. And last one is the primary care. It deals with majority care for daily personal health needs. Now let's see the location of outpatient dispensing service. The outpatient dispensary should be located on the ground floor of the building near to the outpatient department. For location of this service, three provisions are made. Let's see these three provisions. A separate outpatient dispensing pharmacy, a combined unit service for inpatients and outpatients from same window, or a combined unit service for inpatients and outpatients from two different windows. Now we will see the layout of outpatient department. The layout of this unit is important since it carries the good or bad impression about the hospital depending on the services the outpatients get. The unit should be provided with two windows, one for receiving the prescription and other for the delivery. When the prescription is being compounded, the patients have to wait for some time. Hence, waiting area should be provided there. The waiting room should be clean and ventilated with sufficient number of comfortable seats. In the waiting room, general publications regarding pharmacy and medicines should be provided. It also includes the magazines and newspapers should be there. The waiting period should be kept minimum to avoid overcrowding. In the waiting room, the wall posters should be displayed through which the patients can learn about the family planning methods and general hygienes. Thus, the waiting room of outpatient dispensing unit should be a good place for educating the patients on matters related to health and hygiene. Okay, so this is the layout of outpatient department, that means OPD. Now we will see the process of dispensing drugs to the outpatients. A prescription is written by a doctor. Patient take this prescription which is written by the physician and goes to the pharmacy where it is dispensed by the pharmacist. The pharmacist will ensure that the prescription in case of waiting patient is numerically identified and right patient gets right medication. The medication is labeled here. The label should indicate patient's name, registration number, age, direction for use and storage regarding dispensed medicines. After dispensing, the prescription goes for payment and reports are generated. The prescription, if is regular, it should be stored in general file, and if prescription contains some narcotic drugs, then it should be added to narcotic prescription files, and finally all the related records will be maintained by the pharmacist. In this way, medicines are dispensed to the outpatients. Thank you students for watching this video.